Hello and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to set certain rows as headers to repeat at the top of every printed page using Excel's print titles function. If you've ever found it challenging to keep your header row visible on every printed page, this tutorial is for you. We'll show you two straightforward methods to make your printed documents more reader-friendly. The first method involves utilizing Excel's built-in print titles function. Here's how to do it. Start by opening your Excel worksheet with the data you want to print. In our example, we have a worksheet with a header row. Navigate to the Page Layout tab in the Excel ribbon. Find and click on the Print Titles button. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll see the rows to repeat at the top box. This is where you specify which row you want to repeat at the top of every printed page. Click on the button next to the rows to repeat at the top box. This button allows you to select the specific row you want to repeat. In the worksheet, click on the row that you want to set as the header to repeat at the top. This row will be highlighted in the dialog box. Once you've selected the row, click the OK button in the Page Setup dialog box. Now that you've set the row to repeat as the header, let's see the result when you print the worksheet. Go to the File menu and select Print. In the Print preview, you'll notice that the specified row now displays at the top of every printed page, making your document easier to read and understand. And there you have it. You've learned two methods to set certain rows as headers to repeat at the top of every printed page in Excel. Whether you prefer using Excel's print titles function or inserting manual page breaks, you can now make your printed documents more organized and reader-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.